Hello and welcome back to the Nature Connected Neighbourhoods Nature Connection Challenge. And it's I think one to follow on from yesterday's session. It's a lovely hoverfly just flown in. It's the first hoverfly I've seen this year. Just following on from yesterday's session. Some days might not really feel like getting outside. You might be having a bit of a day of it. Let's say you've had a tough day at work, or you're just feeling a little bit more tired. So this is really just talking about those kinds of days, and how to perhaps use the nature connection just to help. So something that I like to do is just to come out and just find a spot and just sit and be, or you could even lie down if that felt right for you, and just allowing yourself to be really supported, just feeling the earth underneath you, and just surrendering to it, just allowing yourself to be held, and just to be in your body in this space. And it's helpful on a day like today with the sun shining and gentle breeze. It's a really, really supportive day, but always possible just to feel that support of the earth beneath you, and just resting into that, nothing to do or change, just kind of gifting yourself a moment, allowing yourself to receive whatever you need from nature. And it might be that there's lots of thoughts, lots of mental business from whatever it is. It might be perhaps you're feeling a little bit under the weather, so there might be body sensations that are less comfortable. And so it's just seeing if you can be with that, to be with your connection with the earth, just allowing any mental busyness, just accepting that it's there, and maybe inviting the possibility that it can be there, but maybe it might just drift a little bit more into the background, it might just ease a little. But if it doesn't, that's okay. The thing we're doing, we're not fighting it, we're kind of turning towards it. If anything, we're just acknowledging, it's been a long day, it's been a tough day, I feel a bit achy, whatever it happens to be. And then perhaps just starting to notice what's around you. Maybe one little thing, just allowing it to have a little bit of your attention. Just something really simple, allowing the breeze to just brush your hair. Or just noticing the feeling of the earth pressing against your feet or your body. And it's really simple. It's not necessarily the easiest thing, and it can be good to practice this during easier times, and then it becomes easier to do when things are a bit more challenging. But even if things are challenging, it's maybe better to do than not to do, even if it just takes tiniest fraction of what you're experiencing, just takes a little bit of that load off. And it's not the whole solution. It's not necessarily going to fix it all, but it's just helping, just supporting, just that little bit. just restoring you a little bit. And so, yes, that's the practice today. Just being out and allowing ourselves to be supported, and letting a bit of nature connection help us. I'll be back again tomorrow.